In this video, we will discuss about the switch password recovery. So here we have taken one switch and one PC connected to its console port, and now the switch is accessed on its terminal, and we will try to access the switch. It is asking for password. Either we have forgot the password, or we have to, or we don't know the password, and we have to recover this password without losing our all the running and startup configuration. So we will have to go in Roman mode of the switch. In the lab class, to restart the switch, we will press on power cycle device. It is showing startup configuration will be lost. It is showing not in the configuration, means running configuration will be lost and startup configuration will be there. Yes, and go to the physical zoom, and this is the mode button. Just press it for 3 seconds. Switch automatically will go in Roman mode. Now we are in Roman mode. uh, First, just type flash init command. It will initialize the flash, and so dir flash directory flash, it will show all the file in the switch. Here is a iOS file, and second is the config.txt file. In the config.txt file, all the configuration we have done in the switch are saved, and when it boots, it loads all the configuration and asks for the password as it has been configured. So ignore this step. We will just rename this file, config text file, to another name, so that it could not boots without the configuration data. So we will just type rename flash config dot text flash config dot old. Now we will check whether it has been renamed or not. We will just type dir flash directory flash. Now its name has been changed from config text to config old. We will boot the switch. When we will boot, it will not find the config.txt file, so it will boot without the configuration data, and we will be able to access in privilege mode without the password. And here we will check for flash file. So flash, here we find the config.old file, in which all the configuration is there, but the switch while booting has not loaded the configuration data. That's why its host name is showing switch. So we will copy the configuration data from its flash to running configuration. We will just type copy flash as it as config.old file in flash, and the destination address is running configuration. Source file name is config.old, and destination file name is running configuration. Yes, running configuration, and type. Now the host name is changed from switch to account, means all the configuration has been loaded, and we will check. So running config, all the configuration we can check. The host name is the account, enable password is Cisco 123, and any other configuration if exist. Yes, IP has been assigned on VLAN 10, and that's all the configuration. If we want to change the password, we will go in configuration mode, type enable password Cisco 1234. Now password is set to, and we exit, enable. Now it is asking for password. Password is Cisco 1234. Yes, it is taking. And one thing we have to do, we have to copy all the data of startup running configuration to startup configuration. So we will type copy running configuration startup configuration, so that when we reload the switch, it could start with all the configuration data from the startup configuration. Now it will reload with data of startup configuration, and now by this we have changed the password or recover the password and all the configuration without password is Cisco 1234. That's it. Thank you.